Hello. Here is the snowfall in Fort Collins, Colorado. Um, yeah, it's a snow day for me. And there's my car right there. The Xterra. It's buried. It doesn't look like it's been snowing a lot, but it really has, because like it's just been so windy and it keeps like blowing off of the rooftops and stuff like that. Like, see, there's some ice stuff on my window. It's been snowing, I think, since I woke up at like 6 in the morning briefly, and I went back to sleep, but it was snowing like crazy then. And you can kind of see across, I can't zoom in on my camera, but there's like a huge snowdrift over across the street and by that apartment complex. And yeah, so there's lots of snow. Let's go on my balcony. Okay. So, my balcony is pretty covered, huh? I think there's probably more inches of snow than just is on, on the railing there. So, yeah, it's pretty, huh? Yep. Snow day. Haven't had a snow day since high school, so I'm excited. Alright. That's about it. Bye.